Having an auto repair business can be tough, especially when MCA debt is slowing down your success. But Coastal Debt has the perfect tune-up for your success. Welcome to our debt-free challenge tailored for auto repair businesses. We've engineered a 4-step challenge exclusively designed for auto repair shop owners like you, offering a roadmap to revitalize your cash flow, slash your daily or weekly payments, and get out of debt for good. Step 1. Enroll in our debt relief program. Let us fine-tune the perfect solution for your auto repair business. Whether you're a garage owner or a vehicle maintenance specialist, our experienced team and nationwide network of experts are here to ensure your business stays in top gear. Step 2. Evaluate your financial standing. Our program provides instant relief while empowering you to dissect your finances and devise a saving strategy that fuels your success. Let's shift gears to Step 3. Fine-tune your operations. Efficiency is the engine that drives success in the auto repair industry. Consider refining workflows, optimizing schedules, and enhancing efficiency to deliver superior service to your customers. Step 4. Diversify your services or upgrade equipment. Mastering the industry means recognizing opportunities for growth. Whether it's broadening your service offerings or investing in cutting-edge equipment, mastering the industry means recognizing opportunities for growth. Whether it's broadening your service offerings or investing in cutting-edge equipment, these strides can turbocharge your profitability. By following this plan, you'll not only break free from debt, but also steer your business towards a smoother and more prosperous road ahead. Sign up for our Debt Relief MCA program today and take control of your financial future. Check out our blog post about our debt-free challenge for a more detailed plan, or you can visit us at coastaldebt.com to start your debt-free journey today.